Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 3.5 and 3.6 from the chapter percentage and average. Let us start with exercise 5. Here first one we are going to find the value of the given question. 8% of 50. Here first we have to write 8% as fraction. That is 8 by 100. Then instead of we have to use multiplication symbol, then 50. Now we have to reduce the numerator and denominator numbers. Here we can cut the 0. Then 5 and 10 are divisible by 5. In 5 table we are reducing. In 5 table 1 time, in 5 table 2 time. Now we are having 8 and 2. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. We are reducing it in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time, in 2 table 4 time. Here in numerator we are having 4 into 1, in denominator 1. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 is the answer. So 8% of 50 is 4. Okay, first we have to write the given fraction as given percentage as fraction. After that we have to use multiplication symbol, then the second term. Then we are reducing it and we are getting 4. Okay, the next one 33 1 by 3 percentage of 9. Here 33 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction, mixed number. We have to convert it into an improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 3 into 33. 3 into 33, 99. Then we have to add the numerator number 1. 99 plus 1, 100. 100 by the same denominator 3. For percentage, we have to put 100. Then multiplication symbol, then the second term 9. Now we have to reduce the numbers. We can reduce 100 and 100. One time, here one time. We can reduce 3 and 9 in 3 table. In 3 table one time, in 3 table 3. So 1 into 3, 3 is the answer. So 33 1 by 3 percentage of 9 is 3. Is it clear, children? The next one 37% of 500. First we have to write 37% as fraction. 37 by 100 into the second term rupees 500. Okay, now we can cut the zeros. Here 0 0, again 1 0 1 0. In denominator we are having 1 alone, so we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 5 7s are 35. 5 here, 3 carry over, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So that is rupees 185. So 37% of rupees 500 is rupees 185. Is it clear, children? The next one 20% of 70 kg. First we have to write 20% as fraction, that is 20 by 100 into 70 kg. Now we have to reduce the zeros. Here 1 0 1 0, here also 1 0 1 0. Now in numerator we are having 2 and 7 alone. We have to multiply it. 2 7s are 14. So that is 14 kg. 20% of 70 kilogram is equal to 14 kilogram. Is it clear? The next one 16% of 90 liter. 16%, what is the fraction? 16 by 100 into 90 liter. Here we can cut 1 0 1 0. Then we can reduce 16 and 10 in 2 table. Both the numbers are even numbers. So we can reduce it in 2 table. In 2 table 8 times 16. Here in 2 table 5 times 10. Here no other possibilities to reduce the numbers. So I am going to multiply the numerator numbers. 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72 by the denominator 5. Now we got the fraction is a improper fraction. We got an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator number by the denominator number. In 7 how many times 5 is there? Only 1 time 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now we have to take the next digit 2. Now it's 22. In 22, 4 times 5. 5 fours are 20. Now we have to subtract. The remainder is 0. So we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number. Quotient 14 as a whole number. Remainder by divisor as a fraction. So 14, 2 by 5 liter is the answer. 16% of 90 liter is equal to 14, 2 by 5 liter. Is it clear? The next one, 66 to 2 by 3 percentage of 87 meter. Here 66 2 by 3 percentage. It's a mixed number. We have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 66 into 3. Then we will get 198. See, 66 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 8 here, 1 carry over. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 198. Then we have to add the numerator to 198 plus 2. We will get 200. 200 divided by the same denominator 3, and for percentage we have to put 100 in denominator. Then 87 meter. Now we can cut 2 zeros and 2 zeros. We can reduce 3 and 87 in 3 table. In 3 table 1 times 3. Here in 8 2 times 6. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 2. Now it's 27. In 27 9 times. 9 3s are 27. Now in numerator we are having 2 and 29. 2 into 29 meter. Now we have to multiply these two. Here 2 9s are 18. 8 here, 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So that is 58 meter. So 66 2 by 3 percentage of 87 meter is equal to 58 meter. Is it clear, children? In exercise 3.5, we found the value of the given question. Okay. Now we are going to do the problems in exercise 3.6. Here express as the percentage. Here 144 of 400. We are going to write this as a percentage. For that, first we have to write the given numbers in fraction. Here 144 of 400. So 144 by 400. To convert it into percentage, we have to multiply the fraction by 100 percentage. So into 100 percentage. Okay, here we can cut the zeros. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Now we can reduce 144 and 4 in 4 table. In 4 table 1 time. In 14, 3 4s are 12. Remainder 2 in 24, 6 times. So we got 36. So this is 36 percentage. 144 of 400 is 36 percentage. Was it clear? The next one, 3 1 by 2 of 10, 3 and a half. Here it is a improper fraction, mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. Then in denominator we have to put 10. Then we have to multiply the fraction by 100 percentage. Now we can cut 1 0, 1 0. Then we can reduce 2 and 10 in 2 table. Isn't it? So in 2 table 1 time. Here in 2 table 5 times. Here in denominator 1 is there. In numerator we are having 7 and 5. So we have to multiply these two numbers. 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 35 percentage. 3 1 by 2 of 10 is 35 percentage. Is it clear? Then the next one, 80 centimeter of 2 meter. See the units. The units are different. First, we have to change the unit, same unit. So, I am going to convert 2 meter to centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 2 meter is there. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Now we have to change the question as 80 centimeter of 200 centimeter. Now we are going to change it as percentage. First we have to write the numbers in fraction. So 80 by 200, to convert it into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Now we can cut the zeros, 20, 20, then we can reduce 80 and 2 into table. In 2 table 1 time, in 8 4 times, 4 2s are 8, then we have to add 1 0. Now in numerator 40 into 1, so 40 into 1, 40. So the answer is 40 percentage. Okay, the next one, 14 kilometer of 35 kilometer. First we have to write the given two numbers in fraction. So 14 divided by 35. To convert it into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can reduce 14 and 35 in 7 table. In 7 table 2 times 14. In 7 table 5 times 35. Again we can reduce 5 and 100 in 5 table. In 5 table 1 times 5. Here in 10 2 times 5. 2 5s are 10. Then we have to add 1 0. Now in numerator we are having 2 and 20. 2 20s are 40. So the answer is 40 percentage. Is it clear, children? The next question, 40 pies of 2 rupees. Here also this is in pies, here this is in rupees. We have to change it into same unit. So I am going to convert 2 rupees as pies. 2 rupees is equal to 200 pies. Now we are going to change the fraction, 40 pies of 200 pies. First we have to write the number as fraction. So we will get 40 by 200. To convert it as a percentage, we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Now we can reduce 2 zeros, 2 zeros. We can reduce the numbers 40 and 2 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time. Here in 2 table 20 times 40. Now in denominator 1 alone is there. In numerator 20 into 1. So 20 percentage is the answer. The answer is 20 percentage. Okay. The next one, 9 kilogram of 60 kilogram. First we have to write the given numbers in fraction. So we will get 9 by 60. Then we have to multiply it by 100 percentage. Okay. Here we can cut 1 0, 1 0. We can reduce the numbers 9 and 6 in 3 table. In 3 table 2 times 6. In 3 table 3 times 9. Again we can reduce 2 and 10 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time. In 2 table 5 times. Now we have to multiply the numerator numbers. 3 into 5 we will get 15. So the answer is 15 percentage. Is it clear, children? First we have to write the given numbers as fraction. After that, to convert the fraction to percentage, we are multiplying it by 100 percentage. Then we have to reduce it. Then we will get the answer in percentage. Is it clear? Hope you all understood. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.